Once upon a time, in a beautiful village near a forest, there lived a rich landowner who had a lot of goats. When he would go home at night after locking his goats in a fence, some wolves from the forest would attack the landowner's goat fence and kill his goats. In the morning, when the landowner looked into the fence, he would be very sad. He was very worried about this attack by the wolves. One day he decided to buy a powerful dog from the market so that he could protect the goat fence at night. The landowner went to the market, and from there he bought a powerful dog of a high breed and left it in the goat fence. After that, whenever the wolves tried to attack the goat fence, the dog would thwart the wolves' attack and killed some wolves, and the dog would awake and protect the goat's fence all night long. The dog was very loyal to its owner. After having the dog, the landowner no longer had to worry about his goats being preyed upon, and he would go home and sleep peacefully. When the wolves stopped attacking the farm for a while, the landlord thought that the wolves would never attack the farm again, and he began to see the dog as unnecessary. He no longer showed him the same kindness as before. He began to think that now the dog was just a burden on him, and that the dog was doing nothing but eating, drinking, and sleeping. The landlord thought that he no longer needed the dog. He forgot that the dog had saved his farm. He only saw one thing. The dog was eating, resting, sleeping. So one day, without any emotion, the landlord opened the door of his farm and threw the dog out. The landlord said coldly, "Go, your work is done." The dog looked back once but said nothing. It walked away. For a few weeks, everything remained fine. The landlord felt smart. He told himself, "See, I was right. The dog was just a burden." But life has a strange habit. Problems that are solved temporarily often return stronger. After 1 month, the wolves came back. Not one or two, a group. This time they were more fearless than before, and the wolves once again wreaked havoc in the farm and killed many goats. When the landlord got up in the morning and came to his field, the landlord became very angry. He again started looking for his dog, which he had thrown out of the farm, considering it useless and superfluous. By chance, the dog was also found by the landlord some distance from the village. The landlord took the dog back to his farm. Now the dog was very different from before, because now he had understood the fact that his owner was only using him for his own purpose. Until his purpose was fulfilled, he would keep the dog with him, feed it, and treat it with kindness. When the landlord's work is complete, the landlord will evict him again. The landlord waited happily. He thought, "Now the wolves will be finished again." But something strange happened. This time the dog only did so much to keep the wolves away from the farm. He did not follow the wolves into the forest as before, which caused the wolves to try to attack the farm from time to time. And the dog kept barking at night so that the owner would know that the dog was attacking the wolves. The dog now understood what he had not known before, that if he continued to chase the wolves deep into the forest and kill them, his master would chase him out again, so it kept the wolves alive. Not too many, but enough. Enough to keep fear alive. Enough to keep the landlord dependent. Days passed, then months, then years. The landlord began to rely on the dog completely. He started believing as long as wolves exist, this dog is important. This dog is protecting me. And the dog lived like a king. It ate the best food. It slept on soft cloth. The wolves still lived in the jungle and attacked on farm time by time. The landlord still suffered a loss, but strangely he felt happy because he had something to show a hunter. In this world, we often see in our lives that many people do not get rewarded for solving problems. they get punished for being unnecessary. The dog first completed the task honestly, so it was thrown away. But later it was smart, so it kept the problem alive and became valuable. This is the bitter truth. People often do not respect the ability of others. They respect dependence.